Well, here's our brownies. They've been in the sun since about 7 a.m. and in the car here. And so it's about what time is it? 3. So 7 to 3, that's like 8 hours. So we're gonna go ahead and bring it inside. And this time I remembered my oven mitts because otherwise my hand would burn. Okay, so let's bring it inside and see how it turned out. As you can see, the edges look pretty done. So it probably would be good to let it cool for a few minutes. However, I don't have a pause button, so we probably won't do that. So let me go ahead and set it here. Uh-oh, it's dark. Here we go. Oh, you know what? I can see what temperature it reads too. Let's see. Oh, it says 180. It says it's like, it was said 180 at first, now it says 177, 179. Let's see if it's hotter on the edges. See if I can. 156. That doesn't make sense. Why would the edge would be hotter, wouldn't it? But anyway. So anyway, you can see it got pretty hot anyway. Not 350, granted, but it's like cooking things on low in the car. Still pretty hot. All right, so let's take a look. So let's take a look and see how the consistency is. Now granted, it might be better if it was a little cool because it's still kind of hot, but we're going to cut it now so that we don't have to make an additional video for no reason. Oh, there we go. Well, let's see. Oh, it looks a little soft. Oh, but it's a little bit crumbly on the top, so that's here. Yeah. Delicious. Hot. It's hot still, so I think it'll be okay after it cools down, but we'll see. It feels like brownie, just a little bit soft. See, ouch, burning my fingers. Alright, so let's see what we can do next. Think about making an ice cream pie. So please make sure you like, subscribe, and share to see all of our exciting experiments and fun recipes. Thank you!